What's up guys, today I'm gonna walk you through how to diagnose crank not start Honda CR-V 2003. Stay tuned. Earlier this week the car were running, we're on the highway, the car shut off by itself, like stalled. Try to start it, not start. I'll pull over and start diagnosing. I was lucky, the car started over and I made it home. But ever since, the car never started again. Tried so many things. Tried to check the fuses, tried to check all the relays, nothing. Everything working. One time it's work, one time it's not. Whatever it feels, it's working. So I took all the relay, checked it, they all works. I took the spark plug, check the spark plug, there is no pulse. It's like there is no pulse to spark plugs. So here is one reason the car not gonna start. So if it doesn't have a spark plug pulse, that means we have the cam sensors not working, which is we have on this car, we have front and back one. You could check them by resistance, or we also have the crank sensor on the back down next to the harmonic balancer. If these both working, then we gotta go to the coils. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 coils, and it can be all 4 coils goes bad at one time, so I will hardly believe it's gonna be the coils. The other thing is we have a fuse. So you either have the ignition fuse. Well, I believe the ignition is the fuse under the driver's side dash, but it's a good idea to check all the fuses, see if any of the fuses blowing off, replace it. The other fuse box is under the driver dash, which is this one. You have all the numbering and fuses CC. It says ignition coil, it's a 15 ampere. It's the first one on the left right there. Check all the fuses in your way, see if any of these is blowing off. Here is the most important fuse box, which is the mains. I had to open this to make this one goes down. Here we have the fuel pump, the main, and all other 4 relays, which is the, I believe is the transmission reverse, AF, power socket, and the key symbolizer. So my issues was one of these 2 relays were going bad, so that's why the car starts where it feels it needs to be starting. So I start replacing the relays and check if the car is gonna start. I switch them over, does not start, so I took and replaced all of them. You see them? I got them from junkyard. All these for $10, which is really nice. Now the car, it's running. There you go. The car is running because of this relay. I replaced this relay and all the car starts right away. Here you go. I'm gonna be replacing spark plugs and valve cover gasket. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you.